Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please kindly subscribe. I appreciate it. In this video, I'll show you how you can swap out your interior lights, which are the map light, and the other one right here, which is the dome light at the center. So I have the yellow one right here. I just want to swap it out to the LED. So this is also a good procedure if you have blown out or a burnt light. You can easily follow this procedure to do. And to do that, you're gonna need a prime bar. I already got my prime bar. If you don't have a prime bar, you can use a sharp knife, but I don't advise you use a sharp knife. It's safety wise, but I have a prime bar in here which I can definitely use to pry and bring this out. So I'm gonna need a prime bar for this, but for the one at the middle, I need this this small tiny screwdriver, because there's a place here I need to push and then pull out. I already get the set of LED lights on Amazon, which I'm gonna use for the map. We'll have a set of 2 for the dome light. So let's get to it. To get started, all you gotta do is to put your prime bar and then pull gently. You can see, pull right down and then walk your way out. You see how it comes out. Middle right here, this is the bulb. So just grab the bulb carefully, pull out, don't let it break, because you don't want the bulb to break. All you just want to do is to carefully pull it out. You want to hold it, wiggle it a little bit, and then just pull it out. You can see how it came out. So I carefully take one of the LED bulbs out and look at it carefully. And once it's in, you can test. You can see it's right in. This is the LED light. It's time for me to put my cover back in. This is pretty easy. It's find the cover and then it's in. This is the LED. So I'm gonna do the same one for the other side. You can see the difference. I'll remove this other side and then flip it too.
The producer.
Now you can see I got both lights replaced and they're looking good. So it's time for me to move to the dome light, and I'm going to show you how to do that too real quick. So you're gonna get your screwdriver, the small one, and you have spaces in here. Just push and then pull. You can see the top came out. That's another one right here. Pull, and then that's out too. Oof, fell off. So when this is out, this is pretty easy. There's a tab right here. There's a tab. Just push this tab to the side. See, there's a tap right here, and then it's gonna come down. Oof. All right, see, it fell down. So I'm gonna grab now I'm gonna grab one of the LED ones and fix right there. So there's a hole right here that the bulb is gonna go into first, and then find its way back into the tap. That's the orientation it's gonna use. I'm gonna need both of my hands to put this in, and when I put it in, I'm gonna show you. So now I got it in. Just let it go in and it sits, and right now you see, oof, that's so bright and bright. So let me put the cover back on it. And it's gonna be this way. Find its way in. and then press it, let it all seal. And you can see it's right all in and out front. So now I got LED lights in the car, and this is how easy it is to replace your interior light. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you some other time. Thank you.